Hello guys, I just got my new capacitor, so I'm going back to install my new capacitor. As you know, that is a limit. Actually that's flame sensor, and like I've said in my previous video, it's always good to maintain the flame sensor. You have to take it out, clean it, use something not too abrasive, something like this, not too abrasive. Then you clean it, something dry, and then after doing that you put it back. In my previous video you will learn how to find the flame sensor, but in my own case I cleaned the flame sensor and the furnace is still not blowing. I mean, it blew for a few minutes, and then I went further. I found out that the capacitor blew out. That's the blower. The capacitor blew out. Okay, so what I intend to do now is change the capacitor, and I ordered for a new capacitor. This just came in, so I'm going to show you step by step how to install the capacitor. So that's the whole capacitor that blew out, and this is the new capacitor. See the new capacitor? Okay, so I'm going to take this out. Oh, here's the new capacitor. Can you see it? I'm just gonna make sure that the new capacitor has the same features as the old. Okay, so I have this. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is the old capacitor. Let's compare the two. You have the 10 UF 370 vac. Okay, protector 10,000. Let's see. I really don't know how to name this, but okay, AFC protected. Awesome. So we have the 370 vac. We have the 10 UF. That's a word for that. And then S2 protected. 10,000 AFC. Let's see here. We have the okay. So guys, this is going to replace the whole one that blew out. Okay. So what I need to do now is install it. To install it, I'm just gonna put this back to where the old one was before. Okay, that's where the old one was before. Then I'm gonna screw that back. This is a screw. I'm gonna screw that back. I mean, this shouldn't be any problem for you guys. You just can't see it because I'm trying to use my hand first. I'm doing the live streaming, so you kind of screw that back. I'm gonna tighten it. Okay.